Hello and welcome everyone. Here is our another video of Good Manufacturing Practice EU Guidelines Pharmaceutical Quality System. Our today's topic is 10 Basic Rules of GMP. So before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can get the latest video notification. So let's start the video. First rule is be sure you have the correct written procedure or instruction before any job is started. Always follow this procedure instruction exactly with no cutting corners. Ask if you don't understand. Ensure that the correct material are being used. Prevent contamination and mix-up. Always guard against labeling errors. Always work accurately and precisely. Keep things including yourself clean and tidy. Always be on the lookout for mistakes, errors and bad practices and report them immediately. Covering up could cost lives. Make clear, accurate records of what has been done and check carried out. So these are the 10 rules of GMP. Hope you like this video. For more video notifications, join us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.